Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're here to do some letter sound reading. Our newest letter sound is the sound of Z. Z says zzz. Let's go ahead and read our new sound and other sounds on a page. What will happen is I'll mark under each letter with a color. When you see that color under the letter sound, we'll go ahead and read it. Let's go ahead and begin. Z, 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 z. D, z, b, I, o, z, g, j, z, w, d, z, p, d, z, j, a, z, s, d, I, w, I, d, g, z, o, b, Great. Were you able to remember all of those letter sounds? I sure hope so. If there's a letter sound you don't remember, it's okay to go back to the lesson that introduced it to practice. It's always good to practice things you don't remember. That way you can become a great reader. I hope to see you again soon.